So you built a data pipeline, a fast producer generating around 10,000 events a second, and a slow consumer that can unfortunately only handle 1,000. And you connect them with a queue. It works for a while, but what happens is that the queue starts to grow and grow until it exhausts all memory and crashes, and your entire system is now down. What exactly happened? So you had a fundamental design flaw. The magic word that could have saved you is back pressure, right? So let's break it down. Your producer is a fire hose. It's just very fast and it just keeps sending data. And the consumer is the bottleneck. It can't keep up with the 10x speed difference, right? The queue in the middle seems like a solution, but it's a memory leak in disguise. It bloats with data until it crashes everything, and this is a disaster waiting to happen, right? So what's the solution? How do we fix this? So we need a feedback loop. The system needs a way for the consumer to tell, stop, I cannot handle anymore right now. And this particular signal is called back pressure. Your job isn't just to connect services, it's to build a self-regulating system where the consumer can protect itself. What is a naive approach? What's a robust approach, right? Let's talk about that. The naive design is simple push-based model. The producer blindly pushes data and it just kills the consumer, right? And a robust system uses a pull-based model. This is back pressure in action, right? And in this model, what exactly happens is that the consumer actively requests data. It says, hey, I have a capacity for 1,000 items and send them. The producer sends exactly 1,000 items and then stops. It waits until the consumer comes back and again says, okay, I'm ready, send another 1,000, right? So this way, the system space is now set by its slowest part. The queue never overflows. The system is balanced, stable, and resilient, right? So in real world, and this is not just theory, this is a core feature in modern frameworks, right? Modern streaming framework. So the next time you're designing, don't just ask, how does my producer send data? Ask, how does my consumer tell the producer to slow down? So answering that question is the key to building reliable systems. And by shifting from a push to a pull-based mentality, you diffuse this particular ticking time bomb. That's it from today's video, and if you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have ever been burned by a system without back pressure. Thanks for watching and happy building.